Hi, it's been a long time since my last video. For today's video I have a package. It's this one. This is a package which actually I ordered a couple of days ago. And where is my knife? I don't have a knife. But let me show you. Mini USB vacuum cleaner, PC keyboard cleaner, vacuum cleaning tools for computer car use. And it's green. Okay, so let's unbox it. We are in. Okay, so what we have here, USB, power directly from USB port. We have this green thing here. This is zip. Look how cute is this. This is so fun. Oh, we have a light here. So this is basically if you want to clean. How do I? Oh, so I remove this and I can add this. Interesting. Let's test it. But let me make some dirty coffee. Okay, so it's dirty. Let's plug this bad boy and let's see how. We have a light, we have a power. What do I do now? All right, so let's see how. Oh boy, this is gonna take me an hour. Not bad. Do I have a button? No. Oh, we have a button. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so how actually is the cleaning situation? It's not from here because obviously you cannot, as you can see, there's a filter here. So the cleaning situation is basically here on the right, as you can see on the left, where is the light is, goes left here like this, and you push this up and then, I did a mess. And as you can see, this is the cleaning situation, basically. That's such a mini filter. That's interesting. So yeah, this is a mini filter. I don't know if you can buy a separate filters. Can you remove this? I don't know. But yeah, this is the filter. This is the cleaning situation system. So you screw this back. Yeah, we did it. And then you put back the thing on the top, and this is how you clean the mini Hoover green thing. Howdy, this is interesting. It's it has a light and it's not bad. It's green. It's USB. What do I say about this mini Hoover thing? I mean, for £4, it's better to use your brush. I mean, it just makes noise. Actually, you can use this as a torch. See? Alrighty. Well, I really miss this. So make sure to subscribe, turn your bell notifications. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about today's video. I really want to do more creative stuff, if this is a creative thing. I think it is. But it was fun. And I'll come back with something different next week. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. 5 people watching my videos probably. Give a like.